All right, cool, cool, cool. Usually when I start, it doesn't. You don't hear me, but it's good. All right, all right, all right. Uh, let's get it. Let's get it. Uh, let me suppose that we started. Let me post. Live now. Beautiful. All right. Hey, Mouse. I'm doing great, bro. What about you? Just the weather here is crazy, man. There are like days where it's really hot, and the next day you have a fucking storm here. It's so I always get cold by it. But other than that, it's good. It's good. Weather in UK is lovely today. Damn, that's rare, isn't it? Sounds like New York. Is it like that in New York? I don't know, man. I'm not used to this weather. Like usually, like I was in Portugal for like 5 years, and like if it was raining, it was raining like for I don't know, maybe 5 6 days in a row. But then you would have nice weather after. Here, I don't know. Like you have one day it's good, one day is bad, one day is good, one day is bad. We have 4 seasons in 1 month. Yeah, man. That's so annoying to be honest. You never know how to go outside, you know? Crazy. Yeah. Man, I'm really sensible, you know, to those climate changes, and I get sick really fast if when weather changes like this. So I'm always basically like fucking full and running nose. No, I don't live in UK, bro. I'm in Italy now. I'm in Italy. Damn, that was a good close actually on the short. Oh my god, we saved something here. Holy moly. Yeah. I kind of wanted to fucking close it a bit early, but it was like, yeah, maybe still can work, but no. Thankfully, we didn't take the full stop on this one. It was good. But yeah, I mean, this it's not looking bad at all, the market right now. So that's good for this month maybe. So let me share the screen real quick. Share the screen, blah blah blah. Here we go. You guys can see everything good? Beautiful. So yeah, I wanted to try this short idea today. It was pretty good to be honest, because we had this little break of structure. We had this break of structure here with lower high we were getting. But yeah, I mean, this was a good play. Still, I would have taken it. But this is a good sign anyways. This is a really good sign. Probably like they dropped a lot of shorts here. We shorted from like here, but like probably they aggressively short is low here, and they got the fuel to push up. And I mean that's good. I'm down to be wrong on that one because overall we are still in our PHB spot, looking really good. It BTC today showing some strength, but we are currently still under res. But all eyes right now on BTC. So let's have a look at dominance right here, because seeing how ANT moving, this is probably pushing. Yeah, this is showing some strength, and I mean this is good for Bitcoin, because if you get like a strong dominance push here, then this means like the market, like the push itself is strong, and capital is actually flowing into BTC, so that's good for for upside. So confirming this upside on BTC. Here for me, like the shorts are done, to be honest. This looks really good. And like it was looking good already since a while, to be honest. Like on the daily, it looks really good. and I feel like now 69K is gonna be the stop. We got some really boring period right here. Like all this time was so boring. But luckily, I feel like this is basically over. Like seeing this push right here, uh, and the strength also after the CPI data. Right now, we are having a little sweep here. That's possibly gonna happen. Like little sweep here that could happen. But I wouldn't short this, to be honest. Like yesterday, we got a pretty decent retest. We got a pretty decent retest here yesterday. We held, make new high. For me here, it's bullish. I don't know like what else could I like unless of course you get some bearish news dropping, yeah, on us, yeah, and then of course gonna change. But for now, what I see here, I like the structure here is forming is pretty good. Like after the deviation as well, here we made a higher low, so that's good. Higher high now we're getting, so that's good as well. So I feel like this could be the start of some good things. Like as you can see, even the strength of the candles are showing it. Like the candles are pretty strong here. You see a lot of buying happening, so that's pretty good. So we will see. Now, in my opinion, this is pretty bullish, though. In my opinion, this is pretty bullish. I really wanted this little deeper here, but still, it doesn't matter. Like, if the market gonna be decent here from now, we're gonna be able to recover everything we didn't do these other days. But to be honest, right here, like in this mega chop here, we didn't lose much, to be honest. We really like didn't miss anything in the market, and like you saw like here in this phase how much money were there to be made, and so we will be ready to do this again if the market's really starting to pick up from here. So now we will see what he's gonna do. Like I think if we from here break the to new all-time high, we will start seeing some more confidence in the market, and so you're gonna reflect that in the price. People gonna buy more. People of course gonna sell more as well, but it's gonna be more volatile and more fun to trade. So really looking forward to that. But a lot of things are lining up. Like all this price action here wasn't even so bearish. It was just people that didn't have confidence to buy, right? But like what you're seeing here, you're start seeing some really good strength here happening. Some ABC bearish setup like the one we had this morning getting invalidated like that. So I feel like we're getting somewhere here. I feel like we're getting some good price action. Um, and I think it's nearly time to go back to be bull, like stupid bulls. We just buy everything and we see. But I'm looking a bit around here. I'm looking a bit around here, and there are some coins are actually like starting to break some. Miro, I actually decided to buy this because like the chart on the daily looks fucking phenomenal. Like there is some massive accumulation going. It's trying to break out here. And I feel like if the market start going bullish, this thing is gonna fly, to be honest. So I just bought some spot, a bit wider invalidation on this one, but I feel like this is gonna be a really strong coin in the next days. Yeah. No, we are not in the RNDR. We got stop break even on that position. I moved my stops to break even. And also, I kind of thankful I did because I see here that He didn't really follow through, and that's why I wanted to move my stops to break even. Um, and you see that like he didn't continue the strength, so that's where the price actually like start looking bad. Like you saw here, like I didn't want this to happen. In fact, when it happened, then the price all fell down. So I had my actual reasons to move my stop break even when we were here. We were like up 4%, I think, but I didn't want to take profits. I want just to ride the trade at the time. But we stops break even on it, and that was a good idea, to be honest. It was a good idea because then when it touched that break even, then it just died off. So we wanted to be in the strong coins. We wanted to be in the strong ones. And right now, by looking at the top gainers here, I don't see a pattern like a big gainers that I like Hordy. I can see some BRC coins here, but there is not really like anything that's popping out as much right now. So let's have a look at 8BTC here on the daily. So daily here, you kind of want to get this level back, like this one. Maybe even try on the weekly to get above it, but that's where we are stuck under right now. That's where we should get, because right now I don't really like it BTC how it's looking for now, and if that doesn't hold, then this is where I'm gonna want it to buy at like 0.4 right there. And I think this would not be that bad either, because like with BTC, that would means like it will go to BTCD at about our targets of 58%, 59% maybe, if BTC drops still here, and it actually goes in line with our plan. But for now, it's BTC. To be honest, we got this little push today, but no, not really seeing it going much further, unless, yes, of course, we flip back above and we continue higher on it. Why is it BTC so weak? Well, the reason why it's because like if BTC isn't bullish enough, if BTC isn't bullish, people are not confident to buy some ETH. Also, like it underperformed heavily because there was like the BTC ETF that was right there on the line, so people rather bought BTC other than ETH, so that's why there was more downside on ETH. And also, there isn't really been like much of a catalyst yet, other than some ETF rumors. So I would have just, wait a bit for it. And but sure, at some point this gonna make sense more, and like people are gonna be more incentivized to buy. But for now, I don't really see it happening yet until like we get some just new news that's gonna probably move the price on it. But like till then, I don't really see this being biggest top gainers. For now, what I'm focusing on is AI and the memes, but I don't see them moving so much today. Also because I saw like the market leaders for AI are all basically under rest right now. So I'm kind of looking at them. Look, I'm gonna show you. So as you can see, for example, on FET, here we are under rest. And so I don't expect AI to do super well until like FET clears up this rest, for example, or Ajax as well. Basically, like all the AI are looking like this for now. I'm not looking at AI so much. I can just see the E denial looking short term. Well, I don't think he's gonna deny the ETF, to be honest. Maybe he's gonna like postpone it a lot. It's possible. But also for that, they're probably waiting for better market conditions, to be honest. So let me have a look at stocks here. Yeah, stocks are strong as fuck. Like even if the daily is red, like we are well above all-time high here. Looking strong. Definitely. Getting outplayed by them. Like no, BTC is still higher since the low, but still like it's a lot higher. Do I trade stocks or only crypto? No, for now I'm only trading crypto because I feel like our market right now has more potential. But I feel like next bear market or whatever, I'm probably gonna dive more into stocks because they just holding a lot better, and they're like for sure, like you have no doubt about being the safer bet on the long term. But long term, I mean like even 10, 20 years. Yeah, I'm not talking about 1 year. Do you use MI? No, I don't I don't use moving averages. Just PA. Them sats is looking good. We closed the position at break even last time. No, we took pre-P TP1, but this is looking strong. Let me see. Yeah, AI today not looking so hot. Seeing some ETH related coins doing decent. But like as ETH is basically like under rest right now, I probably just wait for them. I like Jupe a lot. I was looking at Jupe before, and Jupe I like a lot here. He's trying to get a nice flip. He's looking to get a nice flip here. Ten, 20 years holding about uranium. Yeah, that was a good bet for sure. I don't know when you bought it, but if it was good, it was a good bet for sure. We trade Forex next bear market? No, man. Next bear market, I'm just gonna do what I did last bear market. Because last bear market, I actually made a lot of fucking money. Basically, I shorted everything. Like we here in the group, we shorted everything, and we actually made a lot of money in bear market. We'll keep shorting. So probably, what I would play differently, I would probably just hold my shorts more and just let them go. As I saw like how low things could go, as that was my first bear market. Like probably this one, I'm gonna probably just let them go and not just keep trying to enter them a better price. Just short and just let them go. That's the only thing I would change. How much percentage I take at TP1? I don't have a fixed percentage, but I should have a video on my corner about that. Yeah, this one. This one. Hold on. I'm gonna send you. It was a recording from a member in a live we did, but I'm probably gonna do another live with an updated video about it, like on how I decide how much I take on my TP and why, because every time is kind of different. I don't have like a fixed percentage I take at first TP. It's all situational, and it all depends like where is the price, how important is the resistance we are at, uh, like different things I look for on my percentage of the TP. But Reyes, what's your idea on as Koreans are bidding? Did they got listed on Upbeat? So about ends, if I remember correctly, there was like something about, I think it was like sushi or uni that they said about making the domains possible. So fundamentally, I feel like ends lost a lot of value, to be honest, since that. But let me see at the weekly here. Yeah, I mean, right now it doesn't really have much catalyst going on it. This was a big breakdown here, but we are in a decent support. But right now I'm not seeing that strength just yet. Like also because this kind of moves with Ethereum, and as we saw before, yeah, this could be a little break, but it's really like dodgy though. Also because like this kind of moves with ETH, and as we saw, if BTC is under resistance right now, it's kind of risky to take at the moment. Like if ETH BTC is still like gonna reject there, then ENS is not gonna perform well. But yeah, if ETH BTC breaks out, then it's gonna be looking a lot better. I mean, like it's not that it's more risky though, but like, the thing is, like ENS moves better when it is bullish, and if ETH BTC right now is under resistance, that's kind of risky because like if ETH BTC performs bad, then ENS is not gonna perform well either. So that's why it's kind of risky. Like the setup here is not the worst. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but at the end, that's the risk you take. So I was actually looking at another coin before I was interested the other days, and we did a crazy week before. Yeah, what was this? Like Weave, for example, I think is gonna be one of the best coins at some point. Like once this little resistance breaks here, this diagonal breaks, Weave is gonna do super well, guys. Like one of the best looking coins right here. Is the same chart as Pepe. The same chart as Pepe, basically. But damn. Like a lot of opportunities like this are gonna happen. Like if the market keeps going like here, and all this period of boringness, choppiness, and let's say not much work is gonna be rewarded. Like for me, as I said, I'm still like trading with baby size at the moment. Till I'm gonna have like full confirmation, and of course I will be telling when I do that, when like my size are gonna go back normal. But for now, I'm still a bit not super sure for how long it's gonna last. But I'm gonna say it as soon as possible if I change. Your friend shield you with like 15 cents. Damn, that sucks. But well, a lot more opportunities, man. A lot more. Damn, fucking cold makes so hard to talk, man. It's like I get my nose stuck because of the plants and the fucking weather, and it's so hard to talk when I get the nose stuck. So annoying. But yeah, you guys got some chart requests you want me to go through? I'm trying to look around to get maybe like a position going in the challenge, though, but I don't kind of see it yet. But I feel like if we close decently today, I feel like we can have a decent weekend trading. I'm down for that, to be honest. Like weekend, it's really good. When market is bullish for alts, it's really good the weekend. So hopefully we get some a decent close today, so we can trade this weekend. Got a mouse, bro. See you soon. All right, see you, mouse. Thank you for joining in. Thank you a lot, man. Bye, boys. Chart request. Chart request. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Go through some. Maybe we can find some setups that I didn't see. If you share me some good ones, let's see. Ton. Let's have a look. Let me move my cat from the chair, and we can sit back here and look for Ton. Let's see. Ton, ton, ton. What is it? Hey, we got a really banger trade here on Ton at the time. But for now, I don't really enjoy this structure because it kind of looks like this one. So maybe like one more, and then from there change structure. Like maybe one more, and then change structure. Maybe something like this. Get like little deviation, and then long. If possible. But for sure is one of the best ones. The only thing is that we are kind of making uh it's kind of like in an important area here. Where the fuck do you guys find those coins, by the way? Where the fuck you guys find those? Never heard of this. It's like only on big spot. But I mean, if you just look at it this way, it doesn't look bad. Never heard of it. I don't know if this is strong fundamentally. And of course, you're gonna buy spot on it. The volume on that breakout, I don't know, is not that strong, to be honest. It's still like slowing down. But it doesn't look too bad. The only thing is that you kind of want to see the daily close above this. But yeah, I don't know if this is all-time high territory or if there is more chart history or some other things. Yeah. So yeah, I confirm. It doesn't look bad. Wanna see the daily close above this? Oh, okay. 0.05. Yeah, that's a good entry, though. Really good. Like, so it's fucking bottom, super bottom. That's good. But yeah, if it holds above this level, it's pretty good. No. Oh, you have it on Binance as well. Oh, fuck. Bybit. Is this just got posted? Is this new? But yeah, I feel like this is new. And so the only way you kind of want to trade those are putting two levels. The top level of the listing top, bottom level of the listing bottom, and you kind of have your range here. So that's usually how we want to trade those coins. And you wanna like put those two levels, one at the listing top, one listing bottom. So you always at the listing you have the top, like the first push, then you have the first drop. You put the level at the first drop, first top, and that's your range. You buy or sell either breaks. So if this goes here and breaks above, you buy. If this breaks down and reject, you sell. That's usually how you want to play those listing coins. I don't know how much market cap he has. Usually, you don't want to see so much market cap on those coins. Like if it's on the 100 millions less, it's good. 100 million more, bad, depending on the project. But usually, this is what you're looking for on those coins that just got listed. The fact that those coins that just get listed are pretty good if the market is good. But yeah, you kind of want that BTC confirmation. So some other coin, guys. How do you see maybe? I was actually looking at it before. I posted once on my corner about it. Actually was looking at it before, and this still looks really good. This is the same triangle we matched the other time, and it didn't really change. We are still in this. Fucking plants. So yeah, this didn't really change, and this breaks one part of or another. I think like you kind of want to buy this breakout here. It's finishing the spot here where so like you want to get this retest above, and this is probably gonna break on time and more because this is what I'm looking for. And it's stronger. You think it's losing traction? No, I think it's still really strong. Like we never even lost any levels on it. Like where some coins are back at pre-bear market levels, like this is basically ranging in this environment since a while for the. So like we never even lost this mini range we got here. So I feel like this is still really strong, and I'm looking for this movement right here to buy. But I was actually looking. So yeah, in this case, my trigger, in this particular case, my trigger would be buying at this retest. Like you break out volume, some good strength, and you buy when you retest this area. But about the entry triggers, look, if you go in my educational, I should have it here. Identify liquidity, market structure, and I don't know what it is. Beautiful. But yeah, in this case, I would just buy the breakout and retest of this one. Like you want to see some strength going, some strength, and a nice retest that holds. So like something like this, I would buy. Sorry, gotta call 1 second. Okay, sorry guys, back. Okay, but yeah, in this case, that would be my trigger on it. But no, I never set limits. I always market buy stuff. So I wanna see the reaction there, and I'm gonna buy on a reaction of that level. That's what I would do. So Bra, then we go to Pit. Then this coin's still alive, by the way. Ah, kinda, kinda, kinda alive. Ah, I mean, like, I've seen better charts in my life. It could be trying to bottom out. Not on the worst level. Not on the worst level. Here, you got the nice little weekly support. Yeah, I mean, if you like this project, is not the worst spot to buy. It's still like 70% lower than the high we got. So that's already like good value. It's also good support here, definitely. But if we lose this area, that's gonna be really bad. Well, for now, this doesn't look bad. It's on a good level, trying to bounce up there. So that's not bad at all. It's not bad. So bit. It's got wrecked as well. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this was the first. Yeah. Let me see what I will be looking for this one. Yeah, I've seen better charts. Maybe this. This trying to bottom out a bit, but I've seen better charts around. Got really wrecked. Like he pushed a lot, yes, but he got really wrecked as well. But he's trying to put a bottom here. I would say it's confirmed bottom if we like get back this level. Then we can expect even maybe all-time high. But right now, it's trying to put in a bottom, like most of the market right now. It's trying, but not showing so much strength. Like the strength here has not been the best. Let me see how much is up. Sorry. Yeah, inch. So inch, I've drawn this. I feel like this is trying to bottom out. It's trying to bottom out here. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. So right here, I feel like it's not a really bad buy. You have the full confirmation on this one once you get back this above level. When if you get this level back, then you expect like really higher moves on it. I didn't doesn't look bad at all, to be honest. Like as I showed the other time, we got this like high, got retested perfectly, and then Gaussian strength there. So inch right here doesn't look super bad actually. It looks pretty good. And I feel like this is going to be a nice performer again once the market gets traction. AVAX? Yeah, as well. AVAX doesn't look too bad. It didn't even break structure on this one. As you can see, this is the high, low, high, low. So the structure is still pretty good. Here, it's trying to do a little breakout. We are in a really good support area. So AVAX looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty good to me, to be honest. Let me see on the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, the story a little different, but on the daily here, this could have potential. Like if we start closing above this, or you have full confirmation if you get above this. Get above this, you have full confirmation. First TP here, second TP here. Doge. So Doge is still above the main level, like the main range, but it's still below this other range. So, like I would like to see Doge reclaim this level here to actually be bullish on it. Like if this reclaims, then this is probably gonna go to all-time high. But like you wanna get the level flipped again on Doge, this level here. You want to see it flipped again. As you can see here as well, he was resistance already like good amount of times already. So flip that and you can be confident on Doge. Ordi. So let's do those last coins and then I'm gonna end the stream, guys. As All right. Beautiful. So, Ordi, this was this broke down pretty badly, and we actually predicted this move a lot of time ago. And I feel like this is setting up. It could be getting some decent price here going. This is a BRC coin, so this go if BTC goes well, this is gonna run well. So you kind of wanna see what BTC does, and if the BTC gonna be bullish, then expect this to be bullish as well. Pretty simple stuff about it. Pretty simple stuff about it. Kind of wanna see this flip, to be honest. This trying to flip it. It doesn't look bad at all, to be honest. One of the better looking coins. Let me see at BTC real quick. Yeah, so BTC is looking great as well. So this looks gonna be looking great if BTC looks great. So this, of course, means Reef is gonna be looking great. So let me look. Yeah, Reef looks good. Reef looks good as well. But there are good coins in it. Okay, so Tau, we do Tau, Fat, and token, and that's it. And we close for today. So Tau. So we actually used this example in a lesson we had in a lesson we had, if you guys remember, about market structure breaks, if you remember. And this is actually like this went exactly how we planned, because it was a clear break of structures, double confirmation, and it kept going down. And then was like this one here was the exit liquidity week for it. But like now this is good. This is actually a pretty good spot. Sorry, mic turned off. But yeah, this is actually getting on an interesting level here. It's actually getting in an interesting level. It You kind of want to see a break of structure happening here to confirm, possibly. This doesn't look bad at all, to be honest. This is a pretty good spot for it to bounce, because we got this little double bottom that got taken. We got 1 hour break of structure, and we want to see this continue, to be honest. But this is a good spot for it. Fat not stopping. What do you mean? The fat. We checked it before, but no, it's the same. It's like right now we are under big rest here. Big rest. If this gets flipped, then really good. If it doesn't, then expect this to go back down. But right now it's under rest. Under rest. Token. Rezeh got a message from a girl. I wish. I wish. I wish, bro. Token. Yeah, token looks really good, because this is actually like a really clean deviation setup. And if the market is bullish, I think this is gonna perform really well, to be honest. Really well. So for sure keep an eye on token. For sure. Really, really good chart here. Really good chart. So for this, for example, I maybe would wait little retest maybe here like this. Get this little retested push up. So I would put, I'm gonna put an alert actually, because I like it a lot. Looks really good. Looks really, really good. But yeah, guys, I mean, BTC right now is pushing, so we kind of want to see what we want to see today, for example, for a bullish weekend. We want to see possibly close above 66.5. So that's what we want to see. We don't really want to see this SFP happening, but it's important is that we don't get a full retrace to 65 uh, and keep the strength going. If we get like a nice close today, we are gonna probably have a really good weekend. So we are gonna be trading this weekend. If we get a bad daily close, I'm gonna tell you guys, and I'm probably gonna close the spot I did. But for now, this looks good still, and we're gonna be looking for some trading maybe tomorrow. For some trading for sure tomorrow. Miro looking good. So yeah, guys, uh, thanks a lot for watching. I think maybe tomorrow if we trade, like if we get a nice close today and tomorrow we will be trading, we can probably do another live, maybe checking and scanning together and find some place. So we'll see about that. It all depends on the daily close today. So if the daily close today good, then we're gonna be trading tomorrow. If the daily close shit, then it's gonna be another shit weekend, and we trade on Sunday if there's any opportunity. But yeah, if we get nice daily close today, then uh, I will be looking forward to trade tomorrow and even stream. All right. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a good weekend, everyone. Bye bye.